Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Gadget Estate. Today we want to unbox the MTN Y Mobile Wi-Fi. Please subscribe, we'll be right back. So this is our mobile Wi-Fi. Let's insert our battery. So here's our SIM card. Actually, this MTN mobile Wi-Fi can work with any other SIM. It doesn't work with MTN alone. It works with any other network like the Glo, Airtel, any other networks. This. So here is the SIM slots, and here is the memory card slot. Actually, you can insert a memory card, then through the MTN mobile Wi-Fi you can transfer data. So let's insert our battery also. Guess you have enough battery to power it on. Then so when we lay our hand down, then the switch on. You can see it here. You can see it on. The red lights here you're seeing here means the network is not strong. So this is our MTN mobile Wi-Fi. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Also follow us on Facebook at My Gist Estate and on Gadget Estate and on Instagram at Gadget Estate. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.